Well, finishing up Project Artemis today. Had some issues with the wrong MAF sensor. Not their fault, it was sent by Ford with the wrong one. But got it tidied up, some harness issues done. Had some loose connections from Ford, had to tighten up the pins, reroute some wiring. Pretty cool truck though. It's a 7.3 Godzilla, 10R140, everything out of a 2021 F350. In the back, you've got a water filtration system. So if you're out on the trail, you can get clean water. Stereo system, sound bar, air compressor tank. Pretty much anything you need to go overlanding. Recovery winches. It's on 37s with 373s. All the running gears out of a 2005-6 Super Duty. Full spring suspension, Fox shocks, amp steps. Go up and down when you open and close the door. All new interior. Nice leather seats. Low car shifter, stereo, poly dash in the dash. AC, power steering, power locks, all the goods. Gonna take y'all for a ride in this thing. Going for the first drive after fixing some harness issues. Got the laptop logging. See how she does. Big old truck. Idling good, running good. This thing's big and heavy and pushes a lot of air, so I did something like a toe tune on the shifting, a little different pressures and all too on the every shift, make a little more positive shift. It was feeling kind of mushy before with the factory calibration. Get it up on the road and see what it does. Take this thing for a ride. Pretty top heavy. It's got a lot of stuff on the roof, so I'm sure up around 60, 65 I'll get a little shaky. See what it does up on the highway here in a minute. Shifting good. It's got a 10R80 10 speed with 373s, so get up and go pretty well. Said the truck weighs around 9,000 pounds total. Plus it's 37s, pretty tall. It's got a roof rack, all that stuff in the bed, air tanks, water filtration system. Cruiser. Got the Holly dash with GPS speed and all that hooked in, CAN bus control. Shit, we're going about 70, smooth as could be. A little downshift up the hill. They still got a good RPM signal going, but that's just a few wires hooked up. Sorry about the wind noise. They haven't got the AC working yet. That's coming after the tune. I'll update update y'all on the final product. Gonna get up on the freeway here, get a little acceleration test. Only about half pedal. Did pretty good for a 9,000-pound truck. You can just turn around here and go back the other way.